Congratulations, Mama-to-be. You're growing a tiny human, and what you eat right now can shape your baby's health, brain power, and future. But with all the advice out there, how do you know what's actually best for your baby's development? Here's the truth. The foods you choose can make or break your baby's growth. Want to know the top 10 foods that science says will supercharge your baby's brain, heart, and body? Stick around because we're about to reveal the game-changing foods every pregnant mom needs to know, and one surprising food you might be missing out on. Don't miss this. Hit that play button and let's dive into the foods that will give your baby the best start in life. 1. Salmon. Rich in omega-3 fatty acids, salmon is a superstar for your baby's brain and eye development. Aim for 2 servings a week, but always choose wild-caught for lower mercury. 2. Avocados. Packed with healthy fats, avocados support your baby's nervous system and keep you full longer. Bonus, they're great for your skin too. 3. Eggs. Eggs are a powerhouse of choline, which boosts your baby's brain development. Scramble them, boil them, just don't skip them. 4. Spinach. Loaded with folate, spinach helps prevent birth defects and supports your baby's growing spine. Sneak it into smoothies or salads for an easy win.
Subscribe now.
5. Sweet potatoes. These are bursting with beta-carotene, which turns into vitamin A for your baby's eyes and immune system. Plus, they're naturally sweet and delicious. 6. Greek yogurt. Calcium and probiotics in Greek yogurt build strong bones and support your gut health, which is key for both you and baby. 7. Lentils. These tiny legumes are packed with protein and iron, fueling your baby's growth and keeping your energy up. 8. Blueberries. Antioxidants in blueberries protect your baby's cells and boost their immune system. Snack on them or toss them into your oatmeal. 9. Nuts. Walnuts, almonds, and more provide healthy fats and vitamin E for your baby's skin and brain. Just a handful a day does the trick. 10. Quinoa. This gluten-free grain is a complete protein, giving your baby the building blocks for strong muscles and tissues. Pro tip: variety is key. Rotate these foods throughout the week to ensure your baby gets a wide range of nutrients. Not sure how to mix it up? Try meal prepping with a combo of these foods for balanced, stress-free meals. There you have it, mamas. The top 10 foods to fuel your baby's development and keep you feeling amazing during pregnancy. Eating well isn't just about you, it's about giving your baby the strongest start possible. So stock your kitchen with these power foods and enjoy this incredible journey. Ready to start eating for 2 the right way? Save this video, share it with other expecting mamas, and drop a comment below with your favorite pregnancy meal ideas. Let's keep the conversation going.